Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rajesh Kumar, and I'm going to present to you the machine learning project, which is emotion detection from text. And text is actually the messages in our context. So now I'm going to describe the working of the project and its code. So it's starting. The required libraries are the Python packages are installed, like pandas, numpy, texthammer, etc. All these things. Then the CSV file, the dataset file is imported from the Google Drive, and here the dictionary is created to point the emotions like happiness, uh, 0, and sadness 1. These are all the emotions which we are going to detect from the messages. So this is sample of our data set, which is around 54,000 and something rows. These are messages and these are emotions. So now, definitely the first technique is to text pre-processing, like removing extra or unhealthy words from the text. So first the data set is cleaned, and then after that, now we can see this is a dictionary defined, and now here we have used the BART model because we tested all the models like logistic regression, binary tree, or etc., SVM, all these, but the accuracy was not good. So now the BART model we have finalized for this type of project, because it gives the best accuracy among all. So now, definitely BERT is imported from the transformers, and now the like this is a text. This will be first uh, tokenized to process these input. So then definitely the model is getting prepared, like we have used a dense layer, dropout, and all the necessary layers. And we have used the Adam as an optimizer with a learning rate, this one, and epsilon decay, etc. All these things. And then here the model is compiled, this one, and the optimizer is Adam. So this is the summary of the model, and now here the model is fitted with epoch 2 and batch size 50. So the model is getting trained here, you can see. And now definitely to deploy the model, the necessary step is to save model into any format which can be deployed, like here the model is saved into the JSON format and H5 file. So these two files are required, the .json file and .h5 file. These are used to deploy into the web application, and now and also the tokens are saved into the JSON file as well. So these two files we have used taken into the web application. Okay, so now here the accuracy was 58%. So this was highest maximum among all the algorithms like KNN, logistic regression, etc. And now this was the heat map graph, and this is now you can see the accuracy of training versus validation and all these things. Oh, now the step is to test the model. Like here's a loading steps to load the model, like BUT model and H5 file. And once it, and then here we can test our model by giving the input here and preparing the input. And once we uh, use the model, so it will list down the accuracy of the emotions. Like the following text shows the happiness 0.31, around it, you can call it 31%. The sadness was 55. So we can see that 55 is the maximum number. So definitely this text is shows the sadness emotion. So now I'm going to show you the demo of the project, but actually it was not working in my system. So here are the some screenshot which we captured last time when we run this project. So now this was the interface of the web application. Here's a name, field to enter name and room. And this was about having sample room, so we can select any room. So this was a simple interface having the input field and button. And you can see this is a message, I will help you. And this was emotion, neutral, happiness. And this was A, B, these are names, sample names. And this was a minute ago, this was a time when the message has been sent. So now you can see this one. So this was a simple conversation like hi, and definitely hi is a neutral. And how are you? Definitely when we say how are you, it is a emotion of worry, like we care of someone. That is why we are asking how are you. And I'm good, that means I'm happy. And what are you doing now? Like I'm eager to know the current status of your body, like what are you doing. So that is why worry. And I have lost keys. Definitely when we lose something, we are worried about it. And I will help you, this is neutral, neither happy nor sad nor any emotion. And thanks, that's also neutral. And today's my birthday, that's definitely a happiness. So this was simple and basic chat application where we deployed this model. And it was working fine, and we have all the required files of this model. So this was all our project. The project name was emotion detection from text, and the text was the messages from our web application. So thank you. This is all about my project.